Impilo yomntwana obekane ngomuso elikhanyako uMtebeni liqindelisekile. Inhlangano zabafundi nezijamele amalungelo wabantu bezichakala ngaphandle kwekhotho zifuna ukuthi umsolwa aphoswe isigwebo esibudisi sokubulala. Kusilinge kokugcina ukubulawa komfundi ngalindlela. Abafundi bafuna umsolwa anikelwe isigwebo esimfaneleko.
Go happy get outcomes because you can't be the perpetrator icase ayiphinde yohlala nge-28 kaSeptember a whole month lamntu the justice is not served to the deceased.
Unosicelo Mtebeni utholwe abulewe ngeveke pheleleko. Ezinye izitho zomzimba wakhe zatholakala ngaphakathi kwe-suitcase eQuickney eMonti. Icala lithuliselwe mhla ka-28 kuKhukhulamungu nakusaya ukwenziwa iphenyo ubuya phambili. Bephiko lezokuthuthuswa komphakathi bakholelwa ukuthi icala linofakazi ophathekako.
We have got that confession and we also have got witnesses, various witnesses who saw, one witness saw him allegedly leaving with carrying the bags out of their place of residence here in the Quickney in East London.
Isehlakalo sokubulawa kaMtebeni siletha imibuzo eminingi yokuthi ingakhani kunalapho alekelela khona amahlelo okuvimba izenzo zokubulawa emindenini.
We want to deal with gender-based violence decisively. We understand it is an external issue or an output, but there are underlying issues, leadership, how people are growing from their families and stuff like that. Some of them, they grew up seeing abuse from their home.
I-University iyokubamba ikonzo yesikhumbuzo sikaMtebeni ngelesithathu.